Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do some hauls with you. So I have done Stores, Eurogiant, Ikea, yeah, those three places. Just stuff I picked up during the last couple of days that I thought I would share with you. The first thing you can see here, this is actually from Pennies. We got this yesterday. It was €3. It was reduced to €3. And Marie from the Aristocats, this is the character Marie from Aristocats, is Ava's favorite character. The only Disney movie that Ava will watch is the Aristocats. And yeah, she really likes Marie. So I saw it there for €3 and I just had to pick it up for her. And she has loved it since we brought it home. So that is Pennies. And then just a couple of things that I bought in Eurogiant. So they're not like too interesting or anything, but the first two things are sellotape. So these are €1.50 each, €1.50 each. So 2 sellotapes. And I also picked up some jumbo chalk. So it has 20 colors, the case and an eraser. So 20 colored chalks. Also picked up some jumbo crayons. I picked up a share bag of Hunky Dory salt and vinegar. Really needs to move because she's taken all of my camera. It's gone blurry. Like a share bag of these. And then finally, for €1.50 you get 3 wrapping papers. So you can see this one has like unicorns and castles, flamingos, mermaids. And then I got 2 of those ones and then just 1 of these with the balloons because it's Ava's birthday tomorrow. Ava turns 2 on March, or Ava turns 3 on March the 22nd. She's actually in school today. We sent her in with a cake and they're gonna have like a little party there for her. She was so excited. She was singing happy birthday to herself in the car. So she's really excited that it's her birthday. And yeah, she's turning 3. How the heck do I have a 3-year-old? So that's everything in Eurogiant. It's okay, nothing broke. So I went to Dunnes Stores. Hold on, this is not working. So I went to Dunnes Stores, so I bought 2 of my favorite Don Mio stir and pasta sauces. 2 of those. And also this is the washing powder that we use, the Winnie's washing powder. It's lime and apple flavor. Lime and apple flowers. So that's those. Also, for Ava, I bought her some Peppa Pig slippers. They were €10. So Peppa Pig slippers for her. You can see they have Peppa and a unicorn. She's really loving Peppa Pig. And then the main reason I went to Dunnes was to get new cups. So our cups have loads of chips in them. They have stains in them that just won't come out no matter what I do. So I wanted to buy new ones and they're nicely wrapped here. So I bought 6 mugs. They were €2 each, which I think is a great price for them. So the first one is just this blue one. So I have 3 of these blue ones and you can see it says India Trading Tea Co. since 1810. And it's this blue color. The inside is as so. And it's a nice heavy one and it is a perfect shape. I like the ones that go wide down into like smaller, because I just feel like that I just enjoy my cup of tea better from then. So you get these which says coffee on it, but we aren't coffee drinkers here. So we got 3 blue ones and 3 of these yellow ones. So again, it says the exact same, India trading, Teaco since 1810. There were €2 each. So yeah, we got 3 yellows and 3 blues. And as I said, they were €2 each. So then on to Ikea. Ikea was like a last minute decision. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me there. Ikea was a last minute decision. And when we go there, we always end up buying lots of things that we don't want or need. And it's just an impulse buy, which is exactly what happened. So I bought these. These are like little shoe racks. They were €3 each. So it's a shoe rack. So I got 4 of them that you can stack on top of each other. So 4 of those. I got in our kitchen, we have like a rail going across the wall which we can hang things on them. So I got these. I was looking for the black ones like we have, but they didn't have any black ones. They only had the silver ones, which is fine. So 2 packets of those. Also picked up a photo frame. So this one is 8 by 11, and then the small with the insert is a 5 by 7, which is what I wanted, the 5 by 7. And then we have a bigger one. It's a bigger one, and the inside of it fits at 8 by 11, so like an 8 by 10. So that. Then the final thing that I bought there is something that I wanted to buy for ages, but I could never find a nice one, or they were too small. And I was gonna actually buy 3 smaller versions of this, but then I saw that there was a bigger one, a bigger pot with 3 of them in it. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna buy it. So I bought a succulent. So it's in this kind of like this blushy pink, baby pink ceramic pot. But then the succulent looks like so. So you can see there's 3 types of them here. And yeah, so I'm hoping I'm going to be able to keep this alive. I don't have a great track record with plants, but I'm hoping I'll be able to get this to live, to survive. So if you have any tips on how to get succulents to thrive, I have it in like the sunniest area. Right now, it doesn't really want to be sunny in Ireland, so this is causing an issue. And it also says that it's like a one, so you can see here, it's like a little tiny water drop, which I looked at the Ikea website and that says once a week or twice a month. And if it's wet to the touch, which it isn't, to leave it. So yeah, let me know how I can make this succulent survive. So that is everything that I wanted to show you today. As I said, there was nothing life-changing there was nothing amazing, but it was stuff that we will use, even if it wasn't something that I was like an impulse buy. But we'll use everything. I'm going to finally put some pictures on the wall, because we've been here a long time and I've never ever put pictures on the wall, and it's time to. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.